Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the px overlapping. Here there will be axial overlapping along the x-axis, that is sigma interaction, along the y-axis, that is pi interaction. Okay, some conditions for LCAO is the energies of combining atomic orbitals should have the similar magnitude, and the charge clouds of atomic orbital must overlap with one another and then to form a molecular orbital. The atomic orbital should have the same symmetry. Okay, these are the three conditions, and there will be order of energy for various molecular orbital. It means for in the outermost in their shell they have a up to 14 electrons. This is the electronic configuration we have to write. This is increasing order of electronic configuration: sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, means it has the same energy. Okay, this is more than 14 electrons. This is the electronic configuration we have to write. Here we are writing sigma and the sigma star. Sigma is the bonding molecular orbital, sigma star is the antibonding molecular orbital. This should be form only sigma bond. This is pi and pi star, this is pi bond. Okay, it means how the electron should be filled by using this electronic configuration, by applying three rules, principal rules. First one is electron should be filled in increasing order of energy. It means Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, and pairing of electrons should take place according to Aufbau principle. Each molecular orbital have two electrons with opposite spin. This is the Pauli's exclusion principle. Then there will be one equation to calculate the bond order. Bond order means how many bonds are present in the molecule. Okay, this is the bond order. NB means number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital. Na means number of electron present in the antibonding molecular orbital. Okay, next we will move on to in today's class we have to know about the molecular orbital theory or energy of homonuclear diatomic molecule. First we have to know about the diatomic molecule. For atomic molecule, MOT, molecular orbital theory. First one is for diatomic molecule. First one, example is examples for diatomic molecules. First one is hydrogen molecule. Okay, hydrogen molecules means H2. First you have to know about the molecular formula of given molecule. Okay, here they are giving hydrogen. The electronic configuration for hydrogen atom. The electronic configuration for hydrogen atom. I am not talking about hydrogen molecule. I am talking about hydrogen atom. For hydrogen atom, atomic number is 1. Then the electronic configuration is 1s1. Okay. For the formation of hydrogen molecule, H plus H, it gives H2. Right now, H plus H, it gives H2. Then 1s1, 1s1, it gives 1s2. 1 plus 1, it gives 1s2. Here this is the electronic configuration for hydrogen molecule. Okay, here there are two 1s atomic orbital of two hydrogen atom containing 1 electron each. This hydrogen atom containing 1 electron and this hydrogen atom containing 1 electron, when they overlap to give a hydrogen molecule. It gives a 2 molecular orbitals. Okay, in the rules I was explained you how many number of atomic orbitals are overlapped, that number of molecular orbitals should be formed. Okay, here you have to observe 2 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen, 2 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen overlap to give 2 molecular orbital. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಲು ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 molecular orbitals should be formed. One is bonding molecular orbital, another one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. The 2 molecular orbitals should be formed by overlapping 2 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen. One is bonding molecular orbital and another one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, and according to this electronic configuration, you have to find how many electrons are present. 2 electrons are present. Okay, then 2 electrons are present in hydrogen molecule, H2 molecule. Okay, 2 electrons are present in hydrogen molecule, so we have to use the electronic configuration up to 14 electrons. Okay, because up to 14 electrons we have to use this electronic configuration. If electrons is more than 14 we have to use this. Okay, then by writing here first one is sigma 1s. I was explaining you in the last class, every orbital should contain say 2 electrons. Okay, every orbital should contain say 2 electrons. Then here 2 electrons are present in hydrogen molecule. It means the electronic configuration is sigma 1s2. Okay, sigma 1s2. You have to observe here there are 2 atomic orbital combined to form a 2 molecular orbital. One is BMO and another one is ABMO, that is sigma and a sigma star. Okay, then 2 electrons are present in hydrogen molecule, so the electronic configuration is sigma 1s2. Okay, next energy level diagram. Molecular orbital diagram for hydrogen is this molecular orbital diagram. You also learn in your previous classes in first PUC. You have to write like this. This is the energy. You have to observe carefully. And here how many orbitals are present? 2 hydrogen atomic orbital is present. You have to write a 1 here. Okay, then here how many molecular orbital is formed? 2 molecular orbital is formed. Then this is 1 molecular orbital, then this is 1 molecular orbital. Okay, and here another atomic orbital. Okay, this is the 1 hydrogen, this is 1s, this is one of the hydrogen, this is also 1s. Okay, here you have to observe 1 hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom. Here there are 2 hydrogen atoms. How many electrons are present in one hydrogen atom? 1 electron each. So that's why these atomic orbital, these two are atomic orbitals, these two are molecular orbital. Do you get it? ಇದೆರಡು atomic orbitals, ಇದೆರಡು molecular orbitals. Okay, in the atomic orbital it has 1 electron each, so that's why you have to fill 1 electron each. ಆಯ್ತಾ? After that, the electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule is sigma 1s2. I was explaining you in the last class, BMO, bonding molecular orbital, should be in the lower energy level. ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital, should be higher energy level. This is sigma 1s, this is sigma star 1s. Okay, sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. If there are two atomic orbitals are present, there are two molecular orbital is formed. Okay, then here the 2 electrons should be present in the hydrogen molecule, so the electronic configuration is sigma 1s2. So this will filled only 2 electrons, this is vacant. Okay, then it has sigma 1s2, it means it has a 2 electrons, you have to fill the 2 electrons. Do you get it? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎರಡಿದೆ, 2 ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ how many electrons are present, you have to check out. 1 electron is present, 1 electron should be filled. After that you have to observe the molecule, how many electrons are present, 2 electrons. Then first electronic configuration is, this is sigma 1s, it means each orbital should contain 2 electrons, so that's why it has only sigma 1s2. Okay, here BMO and ABMO, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರು, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗು. ಓಕೆ, this is sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. After that, by filling the electrons, you have to observe the electronic configuration, that is sigma 1s2. Okay, here there is no electron for sigma star 1s. Okay, so that's why 2 electrons should be filled. Then 2 electrons of each hydrogen atom is added, it is lesser energy. Okay, next bond order, we have to calculate the bond order. BO is equal to NB minus NA divided by 2. It be capital or a small, whatever it may be. NB means number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital. NA means number of electrons present in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. You have to check it out. BMO as how many electrons? 1, 2. You don't count these electrons. Okay, you don't count these electrons. Only count the bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. How many electrons are present? 2 electrons, 1, 2. And in the anti-bonding, vacant, so 0. Divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, it means it forms only one covalent bond between the 2 hydrogen atoms. Do you get it? And here also there is no unpaired electrons is present. And when you are considering the calculation for bond order and a magnetic property, you have to consider only BMO and ABMO, not atomic orbitals. Okay, now bond order ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ನ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಸೊ only one covalent bond is formed between the 2 hydrogen atoms. Then here there is no unpaired electron, so it is diamagnetic. This is all about the formation of hydrogen molecule. You have to observe the how many molecules? Here 2 hydrogen atoms to form hydrogen molecule, and how many atomic orbitals should be overlap, that number of molecular orbital is formed. Okay, this is the electron energy level diagram and bond order, and it is a diamagnetic because there is no unpaired electron is present. Okay, next, second one is formation of helium molecule. Okay, helium means He2. Okay, then you have to calculate the electronic configuration of helium. The atomic number of helium is 2, then the electronic configuration is 1s2. Okay, how the helium molecule is formed means combining the two helium atom to gives a helium molecule. Okay, one helium atom should contains 2 electron, another helium atom should contains 2 electron, then 1s2 it gives 4 electron should be present. 1s2. How many electrons are present? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 electrons are present. Okay, 4 electrons are present. Then here 2 helium atomic orbitals are combined. So then how many molecular orbitals is formed? Combined and overlap to give 2 molecular orbital. Okay, here there are 2 atomic orbitals should be overlap to give 2 molecular orbital. Okay, in that ABMO and BMO is formed. Okay, then we have to consider the electronic configuration for helium molecule. Here how many electrons are present? 4 electrons. So then we are using up to 14 electrons should be present in the orbital electronic configuration. Okay, is equal to, first is sigma 1s2, next second one is sigma star 1s2. Okay, this is the electronic configuration for helium molecule. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. So then 4 electrons is here. Okay, next energy level diagram we have to write. Energy this is one of the atomic orbital of helium. And this is the one of the atomic orbital of helium. Okay, here they are giving only 2 molecular orbitals. If more than 2 molecular orbitals, addition of energy level diagram, it means this will be addition, goes on addition. Okay, and this is the helium atom, and this is the helium atom, and this is bonding molecular orbital, and this is ABMO. You have to observe, in the lower energy level we have to write a BMO, higher energy level we have to write a ABMO. This is sigma 1s, this is sigma star 1s. Okay, then helium, how many electrons are present for helium atom? 1s2. So in the atomic orbital they have 2 electrons. Okay, and then another helium atom we have 2 electrons. You have to observe here One helium atom has 2 electrons, one helium atom has 2 electrons, and also configuration is 1s 1s. Okay, then the electronic configuration for helium molecule, sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2. It means sigma 1s contains 2 electrons, sigma star 1s2 contains 2 electron. Okay, sigma 1s contains 2 electron, sigma star 1s contain 2 electrons. Here I am filling how many electrons are present. 1 2 3 4. Okay, these 4 electrons should be equal to presence of electrons in the atomic orbital. Okay, idರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು electron present ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ electrons atomic orbital ಅಲ್ಲಿ present ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 electrons should be present in the molecular orbital. In the atomic orbital 1 2 3 4. 4 electrons should be present in the atomic orbital equal. Okay, then we have to calculate the bond order is equal to NB minus NA divided by 2. Next, number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital means how many? 2 electrons minus Na for antibonding means 2 electrons divided by 2 is equal to 0. So the bond order is 0. So that's why it is a monoatomic gas and helium molecule is not formed. Do you get it? When the bond order is equal to 0, so helium is a monoatomic gas and does not form a helium molecule. When the bond order is 0, it means the bond formation is not taking place, so then the molecule should not be formed. Okay, then the magnetic property is, here there is no unpaired electrons, so that's why it is diamagnetic. These are all about the formation of helium molecule. Here I am explaining you again. Helium means 2 electrons in the atomic number 1s2. 1s2 it has 4 electrons. These two combining to form 2 molecular orbital. Electronic configuration of helium molecule is sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2. This is the energy level diagram. Okay, how many electrons are present in the molecular orbital? That number of electrons should be present in the atomic orbital. Okay, bond order is 0, so in that we conclude that helium is a monoatomic gas and does not form a helium molecule, and here there is no unpaired electron, so it is a diamagnetic in nature. And including that we have to find out the formation of helium cation. Okay, cation, it means helium molecule has 4 electrons. By losing 1 electron, helium plus, it gives a 3 electron. Okay, and in that the 1 electron should be here, 1 electron should be removed. That electron should be removed in the higher energy level. Okay, not in the lower energy level, higher energy level. The electronic configuration for helium molecule is sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2. Okay, here this is the higher energy level, so that's why 1 electron should be removed from the sigma star 1s2. Then for helium molecule electronic configuration means is sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s1. Okay, 1 electron is removed. Then the energy level diagram is this is the helium, this is the helium. Here this is the same, okay, because they are not removing the electron from the helium atom, okay, they are removing from the helium molecule. Here sigma 1s, it has 2 electrons, and sigma star 1s, it has 1 electron. Then we have to calculate the bond order for this. Nb minus Na divided by 2 is equal to, Nb means 2, Na means 1, is equal to 0.5. So then compared to helium molecule, helium cation is stable because it has a bond order to form the bond, okay. Then also it is a paramagnetic because it has a unpaired electron. This is also including in the formation of helium molecule. In that helium cation, 1 electron should be removed from the helium molecule, not in the helium atom. Do you get it? Okay. These are all about the helium. In the next class we have to learn about the nitrogen molecule.